Hello everybody, Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, the Fundamentals Analyzer software tool, aka Mr. Valuation, bringing you another subscriber request series, 2-minute drill, lessons in valuation on the specialty chemical company, LyondellBasell. Now, this is a company that is very interesting on many ways, and I'm going to take a look at analyzing it so that you can decide whether you think you should be an investor in this stock or not, utilizing the powerful FastGraphs fundamental analyzer software tool. So let's look at it real quickly. The first thing we see here is that the company's earnings have been really sporadic, inconsistent, and certainly cyclical. We've had periods of massive growth and then followed by periods of dropping earnings, and earnings have been falling for the last 4 or 5 years. All right, the company trades at a very low value of under 11 times earnings. It has dividend yield of over 9%. But I want to make one point that I found interesting looking at this company, and this is not a stock I know very well. And I can look at what the company does. Their markets are automotive and transportation, packaging, agriculture, sports and leisure, infrastructure. All right, and they have chemicals, polymers, and advanced polymers, fuels, technology, and chemicals. But the point I want to make is, if you'd have bought this stock, let's say, even when it was reasonably valued in 2014, I cherry-picked this, I do want to admit it, and held it all these years through 2025, you would have actually lost money holding the stock, even though it did pay a very generous dividend. Your $10,000 original investment, which is this metaphor, would have been virtually cut in half. You'd have received another $4,000 in dividends, but that would have still brought your original $10,000 investment to a total value of only $93.70. Now, what you might want to do with a stock like this is look at if you reinvested the dividends and see what might happen. So if we look at reinvesting the dividends and then look at the performance, we actually end up generating a pretty decent number here over this time frame because of the high yield. So it could be a stock that you could own and reinvest the dividends, but I don't consider it a buy and hold stock unless you are utilizing something like the dividends to give you more shares. Look how flat the stock has been all these years. Anyway, this has been Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, the Fundamentals Analyzer software tool. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, ring the bell, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to FastGraphs, because I can't imagine investing in stocks without it. Thanks for watching.